morning, my dear students. Today the practical topic is precipitation titration. Precipitation titration are based upon reaction that yield ionic compound with of limited solubility. The most important precipitate reagents is silver nitrate, and the precipitation means the formation of precipitate. The principle of precipitation titration is that the quantity of the added precipitating reagent or precipitant is equivalent to the substance being precipitated. It has two classifications. One is direct method, which is also called as Mohr method, and another is indirect method or indirect titration or back titration, or it is also called Vollard method. Now what is Mohr method or direct titration? Now the substance in the solution is directly titrated with the titrant or precipitant, and the endpoint in the precipitation is determined by the use of internal indicator like assay of sodium chloride. And the indirect titration, what is this? Or Vollard method, the excess silver nitrate is added to the solution to halide acidified with nitric acid. The unreacted silver nitrate is treated against standard ammonium thiocyanate solution using ferric salt as an indicator. Now today practical topic is Mohr method. Mohr method in 1855 by Carl Mohr is the one of the concentration of chloride determination method used in precipitation titration. It is the one of the application of argentometric titration, which meaning the silver ion is used, which is uses silver nitrate as an titrant. Potassium chromate is added to the titrate analyte solution. In the end point of the titration is signaled when reddish brown precipitate of silver chromate is formed. Now the principle of the Mohr method or direct titration. This method determines the chloride ion of concentration of the solution by titration with silver nitrate. As the silver nitrate solution is slowly added, the precipitate of silver chloride is formed. The end point of the titration occurs when all chloride ions are precipitated. Then the additional silver ion react with the chromate ions of the indicator, potassium chromate, to form a red-brown precipitate of the silver ion. What is the chemical apparatus needed? The silver ion solution, obviously, if possible, dry silver nitrate for 2 hours at 100 degrees Celsius and allowed to cool. Accurate weigh about 4.25 gram of solid silver nitrate and dissolve it in distilled water and store the solution in a brown conic bottle. The potassium chromate indicator solution is also used as an indicator. Now the procedure, how to do this method. Dilute sample by pipetting a 20 ml of sample into a 100 ml volumetric flask and making it up to mark to the distilled water. Pipette a 10 ml of dilute sample into a conical flask, add about 50 ml of distilled water and 1 ml of chromate indicator. Titrate the sample with 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution. Although the silver chloride that forms is a white precipitate and the chromate indicator initially gives the cloudy solution a faint lemon yellow color. Repeat this titration with further or dilute sample until the concordant results are obtained.